Here's a little trick for putting new bolts in for your sway bar bracket. If, like me, your old bolts were stripped, you're gonna have to grind them out. You know, get an angle grinder, grind those suckers out, and you're gonna need new bolts. I've got one right here. And all you gotta do is wrap some kind of wire or something around it and feed it through those little holes up there. I'll show you what I did here. Just kind of stick it right in there. And then, oh, this one. You just lower it down through the hole like that, and then you can just pull your wire out, and voila, you've got some new bolts that hopefully will not strip this time. So there you go. That's just a quick little tip if you want to avoid drilling underneath your passenger seat or your driver's seat. This is a much better method to get those in.